Welcome to Amazing Planet. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Audubon's Oriole, a striking yet elusive songbird of North America. Audubon's Oriole is a vibrant black and yellow bird found in southern Texas and northeastern Mexico. Unlike many orioles, it prefers dense woodlands and bushy habitats, often staying hidden in the thick vegetation. Males and females share the same striking plumage, with a bright yellow body contrasting sharply against a black head, wings, and tail. Their song is a slow, flute like whistle, often heard before the bird is seen. Unlike migratory orioles, Audubon's oriole is a year round resident in the range. It feeds on insects, fruits, and nectar, sometimes even visiting backyard feeders. Despite its beauty, this species is rarely seen due to its secretive nature, making every sighting a special moment for bird enthusiasts. Thanks for exploring the world of Audubon's Oriole with Amazing Planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories. See you next time.